Hello everyone, my name is Olawale Mutiati of National Open University of Nigeria. You are welcome to the program of the special ODL training for our administrative staff from County 7 to 15. Today, we are going to treat harvesting contributions to the discussion forum, transmission of the contribution to the facilitator for scoring, and finally sending the scores to the students. I am sure you are going to enjoy every part of this lesson. Thank you and stay tuned. And scoring of the contribution. The first thing we are going to do is to log into our VLE accounts. This is my own. Now click on the course. Yes, these are the activities for week 1. We have timetable, lesson notes, video for topic 1, discussion forum on plan structure and function. Yes, click on the discussion forum on plan structure and function. Excellent. These are the entries for the discussion forum on week 1. What we need to do here majorly is practical, and is going to be copy and paste. How do we go about that? We open the Microsoft Word, where we write what we are going to do, which is scores for discussion forum 1. Good. Let's go back to our VLE accounts and see the topic for the discussion forum 1. Drawing in biology is guided by some rules. Discuss. Let's copy that. Put it in our Microsoft Word. Nice one. Then the next thing we are going to do is to insert a table. We have like 3 students that participated in this discussion forum 1. Let's have 4 columns and the rows too, like 4. If we need more, we add to it. Okay. Yes, let's adjust the table to make it suitable for what we need it for. Yes, here we just need to put the number of the students, and the second row we have name, the third one we put the contribution, and the last one is score. Now the number here we have 1, 2 and 3 students. The next thing is to put the names here. The next column we put the contribution. And the last one is our scores. It's not right here. Good. It's corrected. Scores. Now let's go back to our VLE and copy the names of the contributors. The first one is Adeola Awoyode here. Copy that. As the name number 1. Second thing we need to do here is to copy the discussions from the contribution from Adeola Awoyode. Yes, it's under the contributions. Then the next thing is to go back to our VLE, the name of the next contributor, which is Mahmood Sulaiman. That's number 2 here. Good. And the contribution for Mahmood Sulaiman. Good. Paste it under contribution. And the last one here is Adebisi Adewojo. Let's copy the name. Paste it here. Good. And the contribution now we have all the contributions for the discussion forum on week 1. The next thing is to send. We have the scores already. We have the contributions already. We want to send it to the facilitator for scoring. For example, if it's given to a facilitator and he or she decided to score them, like in number 1, when you look at what Awoyode said about the drawing in biology, can decide to give like maybe let's say 6 marks over 10, and the second one maybe 8 over 10. Also the last one like 10. This is how we score the contribution on the discussion forum. Then if it is scored this way, then you can decide to design our table to make it more beautiful. You can see the table tools here. Choose anyhow you want it to look. If it's okay by you, this way, this color green, blue, or we can still look for more design on our table. This another one. If you prefer yellow color, now look at this. It's beautiful as well. You can go for as many as you want to make your work more presentable. This another one. I think I'm okay with this. This is all what we need to do. This table, I think, is beautiful enough for you to present to our dear students. So this is all we need to do for now. Now let's recap on how to harvest the contribution on discussion forum and scoring the students. The step 1 is to log into your accounts, your VLE accounts. The next thing to do is to click on the course. When it brings out the discussion forum, you click on it and you see all the entries for the discussion forum. Then the next thing is to start our copy and paste by opening the MS Word, write the title, you copy the topic of the discussion forum, place on it. Then the next thing is to create our table, which you put the column and rows according to the number of the participants. Then the next thing is to fill the table according to what you have in the discussion forum. We first write the number, name of the student, the contribution, and discuss. After copying all the entries, putting the names and their contribution there, you send the table to the facilitator for scoring. When you get back the table from the facilitator after scoring them, then you can now send it to our students. Once again, my name is Olawale Mutia Tietunde. Thanks for listening.